Okay, boys. Today, we're going on a picnic.
Awesome!
Yay.
I can't wait!
Okay, boys. We're here. Time to have some yummy lunch. Oh boy, that's a big cloud. Let's hope it doesn't rain. Oh boy. Uh-oh. It's gone all cloudy. Let's hope it doesn't rain. Uh-oh. We'll have to do the picnic tomorrow, boys. Let's go home quick. I'm sorry, boys. You didn't even get to enjoy your lunch. At least you get to eat it in the car. Let's maybe see about it tomorrow. Come on, boys. Get inside. It's raining cats and dogs. Come on, boys. Whew, that was crazy. Even though we had to go home, this food is still good. I'm glad.
I'm a little under the weather.
Oh no! Alex! What just happened? Boys, the power went out. Looks like the lightning hit a power line. It's fine. 2, even if the power's out, we can watch TV on the tablet. Oh yeah. 4, my tablet's dead. Try yours. Are you serious? Mine's dead too. And the power's out. I know. We could watch it on X's phone. Hey X, can me and 2 watch TV on your phone? Sure, but be careful. And also make sure it's appropriate. Okay. 2, I got the phone. Let's press play. Okay, like that?
Awesome, kids.
Yes, I'm whispering because
I'm a little under the weather.
Oh wow!
Boys, come to the kitchen because I
prepared
a yummy
snack.
Cook you up some
Did you say yummy snack? Okay. These apples are delicious. I know, right? The power is turning on. Oh boys, the power turned back on. Yay!